Hi, hello, good evening. My name is Charlie and I'm your nurse working at home for tonight. So for tonight, I'll be looking after you from home. So good evening. Now, sorry, what would you like? Right, painkiller and laxative. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. That's fine. Now, on your drug chart, looks what's prescribed for you. Do you have paracetamol, Senna, or lactulose? You have. That's good. Well done. Well done. Now, okay. Now, out from the brain. Yes, yes. Go towards the nurse's station. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now, on the table, there's a bunch of keys. Okay, right. Yeah, pick it up. Well done. Well done. That's it. Now, walk towards the treatment room. On your left, yeah, and go straight on your right side. Okay, that's fine. Well done. Perfect. Now, the door has a code because it's locked. Now the code is 1234. I think I remember. Yeah, that's right. 1, 2. Okay, try. Well done. Good. We're doing great. Now, yeah, open the door, get inside, and inside you'll see 4 trolleys, right? Yeah, 4 trolleys. Yeah, medication trolleys. Yeah, they're colored white. Okay, there's 4 of them. You're from bed 1, right? Okay, now using this key, right? The big one. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Well done. Well done. Now, open trolley number 1. That's right. Well done. That's it. Yeah. Good. Now, don't look anywhere. Just on the trolley. If you look at the cupboard, that's the control drugs. Never. Don't touch that. You're not going to touch that yet. Okay. Just concentrate. Focus on the trolley. Okay. That's fine. Now, inside the trolley, I know there's loads of medications in there, right? Okay. Yeah. And paracetamol. Let's start with paracetamol. And I think you're allowed 1 gram. Check your prescription. That's it. Yeah. So 1 gram, right? Okay. Now you're looking at paracetamol, blue bags. Yeah. So okay. Well done. Now obviously you have to take the strip out, and then you're only allowed, because it's 1 gram. You're only allowed to have 2 tablets.
Come on.
That's it. Okay. 2 tablets. Medication pad. Well done. Perfect. You're doing great. You're doing great. Well done. Well done, my love. Now, we're looking at Senna. Okay? Okay, Senna is a green one. It's called Senna. You there? That's it. That's it. Yeah, well done. So I think you're allowed to have, look at the prescription. How many are you allowed? 1. Okay, 1. That's fine. So take the trolley. Sorry, I'm getting confused. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so you have paracetamol, you have Senna. But let me just ask you a question. Where is the pain coming from? Tummy. Right, okay. And you haven't opened your bowels for how many days? 4 days. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's start with Senna and we'll see how it goes, okay? So, yeah, that's it. Yeah, now close the trolley, lock the door, back to your bed, and then, yeah, take it. You have water, yeah? If you don't have water, you know where the kitchen is, get some water, yeah, and then take your tablets. Now, listen. Okay, I'm gonna go offline. You take the tablet, see how it goes. If it doesn't work, if you're still constipated, if you're still having pain, maybe just ring me back in about half an hour. Is that okay? Okay. Bye for now. I'll see you in a bit. Thank you. Well done. You've done really great. Well done. I'm having a cup of tea right now, okay? Oh la la.